This thing's a freaking beast, man.
I know. Way bigger than I thought it was going to be.
Stay there. Whoop, watch out.
That foot? God, I can't believe I didn't bring it up. But I got to power up the little GPS unit so we can get that working.
Haha.
No way.
Yep.
Cody.
It's ultralight gear, but oh shit. Come here.
Hey! Cody.
Come here. Come here. Cody. Sorry, dude.
Cody, come here. Good boy. Good boy.
Gua fish.
Good boy.
Good boy. All my fish got away. I'm stuck.
Oh yeah, buddy.
Nice. My recording. There we go.
I got a keeper. Cody. Cody. God damn it.
You got a big son of a bitch right there.
Hey. Back off. Back off. No, there I want to go.
Let me see the fish, Papa.
Cody.
You need some pliers?
Nope.
Got them. Woo-hoo! Nice.
First fish, Cody. God damn it.
That did dandy.
Cody.
There we go. Come on, take it. Oh, I missed him. There's one. He's little. You see that fish? Hmm? Okay.
Stop it. Stop it. Uh-oh.
There you go.
Oh. Hey.
Oh, he'll learn, dude. That's just puppy stuff there.
I'm hoping.
There we go. It's a good fish. Decent. Yeah, I don't think so. He's decent, but is that a largie or a smallie? Nice smallie.
Hey.
It's a decent little half pounder, something like that. We'll let him go though. Dude, come here. Come on. You go back there if you're gonna go in again. I think I'm gonna rig up my light rod here with a drop shot and hopefully get into like a 3-pounder. So if you're the dude that was over there fixing your boat and you see this video and you needed help, we're sorry. You didn't wave us down. Well, we got to do a little bit too much current, so trolling motor wouldn't take us back. We're going to run up and go through this drift again, but I had to do it. I switched back to a drop shot and a night crawler. I caught one smallmouth on the craw. I might go back to that, fishing down through the rocks here, but I set Jeremy up with one and hopefully get him on a fish here pretty soon. But We're trying to learn how to drive this boat with this bow mount trolling motor, and with the puppy on board, he keeps running up and smacking the pedal. There's about 10 different buttons on there that do a bunch of stuff that we don't even really know what it does. And yeah, so half the time the dog's driving, but anyway, we got a few fish. So it's been exactly a week since Jeremy and I came down to Wheatland Ferry here and went fishing. Didn't get a whole lot on camera that trip because we were fighting the puppy and we were learning how to use the motor. So I figured we're gonna go ahead and combine a couple weeks worth of videos here. So we're actually meeting up again. It's exactly a week. So Jeremy just launched a boat. I'm eating a hamburger. Can I go for a ride on your boat?
Yeah, I guess.
I got a hamburger. What's up, shithead? First fish today. Little bluegill. I don't think he was real happy where he was hooked. Not a bad little fish here. Come on. There we go. Ha ha ha.
Get it, Cody, get it. Get it. Cody. Here. Here. Cody. Here.
Ooh, he just shit.
Cody.
Probably, I don't know, half a pound there.
Come here.
I didn't think he was going to stay right on the river.
Ooh.
Nice one.
Not a fucking giant one, but it's a fighter.
It looks pretty decent. Get the net here.
Good God. Cody. Good little fish.
Oh yeah, it's a pretty good one, dude. Oh, that's a nice fish, dude. It's a good pound. Pound and a quarter.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. There you go. That might be your PB there, buddy.
I don't know. The one I caught last week was better.
You think so?
Oh yeah.
We should weigh this one. He's pretty good, dude.
Good fucking.
That's a good fish, man.
Woo!
Nice.
I got fish.
He got fish. That's pretty good fish, man. I'd say it's a good pound and a half. You want my pliers?
Get.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, he took my freaking weight.
Oh.
Good Lord, how do you?
Oh, you son of, that's 1 ounce better than my PB that I got recently.
110.
1 pound, 10 ounces.
Damn, almost a 2-pounder. Wow. Hey, fishy, fishy.
Go for it. Just give him a good release.
How do you fucking do it?
Just like that.
Yeah! Wasn't hooked up on it.
Yeah. Well, I was like, I can't believe that we didn't get a fish out of here.
Yeah, right on, dude.
So, did I call it? I said there was going to be a nice fish in here. It just took a few minutes. I can't believe it took that long to hook that fish. But that was pretty cool. That was a nice fish.
Yeah, right. I need to get myself a little scale.
So I'm pretty sure I've caught a few over 2 pounds, but I never officially weighed any of my big fish because I never had a scale. And so I started this summer. I was like, I'm going to start weighing, like when I get bigger fish like that, I'm going to start weighing them. So I went out with Jonathan and his brother, and I got a 1 pound 8 ounce fish. Jonathan's brother caught a 2.9, a huge fish, and I went out the next time and got a what'd I get? A 1 pound 9 ounce fish. I beat my record by 1 ounce. So your PB right now is 1 ounce more than mine. Your confirmed PB.
I'll just go with the beginning.
Nah. I'm gonna go with a hell of a bass fisherman taught you how to fish for bass.
Have you fished the Willamette that much?
Not up here, no. I fished it a lot from like around the Tualatin and then like down around like Oregon City. The only thing about below the falls is it's affected by the tides, and it totally affects the fish.
Really?
Yeah. They don't like the outgoing tide. It's better to fish it on an incoming tide.
The keeper?
I think it's a good fish, dude. Yeah, it's decent. I don't think it's quite as big as the last one, but I think it's a pike minnow.
Really?
Yeah. These are the ones you get paid for on the Columbia.
Cody.
Oh yeah. Come on.
You need a net?
Yeah, maybe. It's a pretty good fish, I think. Yeah, he's good fish.
You got a keeper!
Come on. Ooh, yeah. I'm hoping this might be a little new personal best here. Oh yeah, dude, he's fighting good. Keep some tension on you. So I got an ultralight rod here. Dude, this is a fish.
I'm laughing, you pull him up, he's like a
He's fighting good. Nice. Woohoo! I think this is pretty comparable to your fish, but
Cody.
oh, dude, the hook just came out too.
You need to zero it? No, you fatty. You fat.
This might make it. He might make it. Calm down there, buddy. No. Oh, 113.
No, let's see.
113. 3
Nice.
pound or 3 ounces shy at 2 pounds. Okay. Let's just make sure we get this guy in the water here.
Oh, that's how you do it.
You just kind of work him back and forth, and then there he goes.
Well, I found a good little stretch then.
God, dude, I was like, I can't believe when we were sitting there for so long. I think they're just being finicky today. Personal best and personal worst all in the same day, right?
I don't know if you can catch a smaller fish than I caught.
Probably not without smaller hooks. I know there's bigger fish out here than that even, but it's still just like,
Cody.
I think like that fish right there, I think there's quite a few that size, like the ones we just caught. But I think beyond that size, they start getting a little further and few between. Like they're out there, but it's not like, to get one over 2 pounds, that's gonna be like maybe one fish a year type of thing, you know? Oh. Woo! She's a little heavy, especially when you're getting fat and old.
Shall we?
We shall.